Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, editor-in-chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. We're gonna do something kind of fun today. We're gonna do what I like to call an extreme test of the BIMBO'S Extreme metal polish. This is a one-step compound that has been advertised a lot of places online. It's a lot of word of mouth going around about this stuff. We got a bottle of it. We really want to see if it really does deliver like we've been seeing online. Now, they say it's good for chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and copper, even your wife's gold earrings. But we're going to use it on a set of lightweight aluminum weld front runners that we just pulled off of our 69 Charger here that we call Brazen, a project car we've got on the magazine. Obviously, you can tell that we've tried to keep pretty good care of our weld wheels, but what we don't really pay a lot of attention to is the backside. So we're going to wipe this down a little bit just to get a lot of the big stuff off. And then we're going to use a few of our detail tools and a couple microfiber towels and a whole lot of this BIMBO'S Extreme. And we're going to see how well this stuff cleans up. Because holy cow, that's pretty dirty. We grabbed a little bit of Meguiar's Hot Rims aluminum. I'm pretty sure this stuff's about 5-6 years old. But we're going to give it a shot, see how well it cleans up this aluminum rim. As you can see, we've got some discoloring here. We've got some pretty ugly looking staining, a lot of pitting. This is just the rough side, the back side of an aluminum wheel. And so we're gonna try to get this to look just as good as the other side. So overall, what's the final result? I gotta say, for being a non-name brand metal polish, it did a really good job. I'm gonna have to give the BIMBO'S Extreme an A-. If it had knocked down some of this grit that we have here on the contact pad, if it knocked down some of the pores and the scratching that we have, the heavier stuff, I might have given it an A or an A+. But it did get rid of a lot of the discoloring, a lot of the staining, and it did knock down a lot of the smaller scratches. It did take quite a few passes. Again, we spent about 40 minutes with power tools knocking this stuff down. If we brought out maybe the heavy duty DeWalt, it might have done a little bit better, but by doing this by hand with some battery powered tools, I think we did a really good job. Definitely, please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, and share it with your friends and help us grow the channel. Again, if you want even more awesome Mopar content, hit us up over at www.moparconnectionmagazine.com, where new articles are published every single day, Monday through Friday, entirely subscription free to you. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk soon.